This is cinnamon. This is shampoo, and this is my 1966 Ford Mustang 4x4, or you could call it a 1966 Ford Mustang Dakar. I don't know. You choose whichever one sounds cooler, because I want this thing to sound cool. But guess what? It already does, because it's got a V8 under the opening hood, and it's my most detailed engine bay I've done yet. I've got wiring, I've got a radiator, I've got whatever this thing is, and that's supposed to be a battery sticker on that 1x2 tile, but this is the cheapest one on Bricklink, and this is the best condition one on Bricklink. So yeah, not very easy to come by if you ask me. As some of you may know, this started out as my 1966 Monte Carlo Mustang, my Monte Carlo Rally Mustang. I designed it for a rally car contest being held by MOC by Endo, and I think the roof was a little bit too low on that version, and the wheels just look really dumb, but sort of they in real life. And then once I remembered that Bricks and Minifigs in Redding, California did a classic car competition every year, I started scrambling for ideas on what to do. If you want to know the story on the first annual Bricks and Minifigs competition that was in 2025, then just pause it right now so you can read all this. So yeah, that's the story of the first annual Bricks and Minifigs classic car contest and what happened and all that stuff. So I was really torn until just a couple weeks ago on what I should do. I eventually narrowed it down to 3 cars, and that was my Monte Carlo Mustang. It wasn't like this yet. My 1987, you know what, I'll just show you. Okay, here they are. My 1966 Monte Carlo Mustang, my 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air Gasser, and my 1987 Chevrolet Suburban, and these are just test wheels. I had better ones on there. Something doesn't look right about the back of this thing, and I don't know, it's just a little bit too simple and maybe not. Basically what I'm trying to say is that I don't think it will get a lot of votes. And the Gasser, I almost went with the Gasser. I did at one point choose this because it just kind of fits the theme well, and like, what little kid doesn't love a hot rod, you know? But me being me, I had to go with the Mustang. I immediately started upgrading it by raising the pillars and roof up 1 plate higher and putting some massive 4x4 tires on it, because why the heck not? And I upgraded the interior so it didn't look so dorky. Here's a picture of the interior before. So yeah, this is quite an upgrade to that, if you ask me. So anyways, fast forward to yesterday, or I guess fast reverse to yesterday. Bricks and Minifigs finally announced, well, okay, so this is part of the story. We emailed Bricks and Minifigs and asked them if they were going to do the Redding Classic Car competition, because we didn't see an announcement yet on their Instagram page. So they responded saying yes, that they would do it in April. And so we were waiting until finally we just emailed them again and said, hey, you know, when are you going to announce it? And they're like, we already did announce it, and registration is going to open April 10th, and your build had to be down by the 15th. I'm like, dude, what? It's already the 9th. Why did we not see the announcement on their Instagram page? Blah, blah, blah. So what I'm thinking is they only announced it at their store, or maybe just in California somehow. I don't know. Well, we didn't see the announcement, but yesterday we did see the registration open, so we registered. So with all that being said, and with nothing more to said, I'll be showing you guys how to make this for free. Here we go. Or I mean, cue the instructions.